This year was the first year that I decided to purchase an archery tag for Iowa season. I've told you before, I'm not really big into shooting turkeys with a bow. I enjoy it, don't get me wrong, but I really like knocking them down with a shotgun. This particular season was going to be different for me as I had to be gone for half of first season and half of second season. I promised my wife to take her third season, and I have another friend I plan on taking hunting during fourth season. My time was going to be limited, but I figured if I could spread out the time that I did have available across a few days, maybe with the several different seasons, I'd have a better chance of getting it done. My hunting partner and longtime friend Jeremy King was under a similar situation. He also bought a bow tag, which was his very first bow tag, after 13 consecutive years of killing 2 longbeards in Iowa. Needless to say, we were both a little bit nervous about the venture, but we decided to give it everything we had, and we weren't going to get beat by this game called archery hunting for turkeys. We were really excited about our chances. Several weeks before the season, we located a field that we'd hunted in the past. Both had killed some birds in the vicinity, and we found a group of gobblers and jakes using the area very consistently. And we knew if we could get in this spot, get in there early without any other pressure from any other hunters, we'd have a tremendous opportunity to hopefully get it done on 1, maybe 2 gobblers on the first morning. Finally, the opening morning of first season arrived, and we were in the double bull, in the exact spot we had to be, had the Dave Smith decoy set out, and before it was hardly even filming light, 4 to 5 jakes stepped out, and I was thinking, you know what, my time is limited. I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of the good opportunity that I have right in front of me. I came to full draw in an awkward position, settled the pin on the bird that was by the decoys, and I shot, and I was very upset when I saw where my arrow hit.
It's disappointment. I apprehended to buy a bow tag this year, but I had even less time to gun hunt than I would have to bow hunt. He walked out here and stood just for 10 minutes and didn't move, and I thought maybe he was going to tip over. Then the rest of the turkeys kind of started to move off, and he did the same thing, and kind of didn't look like I'd hit him that good. Reviewed the footage, shots a little low, a little forward. I just pushed it, I guess, but I just stung him. Hopefully I can find my arrow this time, because it's about 27 bucks laying out there.
I noticed I pushed my arrow to the front of the bird, just nicking its breast and shooting off a bunch of feathers. The bird ran off into the field and ended up feeding with a bunch of the other jakes and chasing each other around, obviously no worse for the wear. Saying that I was dejected was an understatement. Shortly after these jakes left, a longbeard showed up on the opposite end of the field, and he was skittish, seemed to be a little bit nervous about some things, and he ran across the field without even giving us a look.
We got a gobbler when the timber came back out. He's slowly working away. I'm pretty much at 80 yards right now. Coming in, he's spooky, not acting too confident, but he's walking after the dog, so we're going to get focused on him.
soon as that bird was shot, it ran into the woods and disappeared. Jeremy instantly got my attention as there was a second longbeard coming into our setup.
Howard, listen, here goes another gobbler, another gobbler. Get your bow, get your bow. Jerry, come switch spots. We're doing that. Go ahead. I just shut it off. All right, Jeremy just shot a turkey and one's running. He's coming right now. Longbeard.
For some reason or another, I decided not to draw my bow early enough, and this bird worked right into our decoys, but something made him a little bit nervous, and I was hoping that he would pop into strut at one point or another where I would have a good opportunity to draw my bow. Unfortunately, he didn't. The wind turned the decoy a little bit, made him a little bit nervous, and he took off on out of there without me even getting an opportunity to shoot.
You just can't win them all. That was phenomenal. We weren't moving, but he got a little nervous about something. And I decided to draw, and he kind of got onto us, but it doesn't matter. Jeremy just killed long-spurred giant bird. Man, that's what it's all about.
Well, first day of turkey season in Iowa. I'm in the same boat as Thomas is. I don't have a lot of time, messed up schedule, everything else, so I opted for a bow tag, which, if you ask him or anybody else, I wasn't excited about. I've done it with a gun for the last few years. Phil used my tag first morning, and we put a lot of scout time in. Waited for that bird. He did just as he's supposed to. Came in a decoy strut. He turned, I pulled back. I felt like I got a good shot on him. Arrow stayed in him. He went off in the woods here behind us. No hurry. He's not going anywhere, hopefully. Hopefully he's laying back there dead. That's my biggest turkey ever with the bow. Look at those. Oh. That's pretty. That's pretty, what a turkey. What a hunt. I like this bow thing. That was a lot of fun. Oh. Get some tags on that thing. Look at that. What do you think? Inch and a half?
Every bit of. I saw those when he was coming in. I thought, man, that bird's got huge spurs.
Just average beard on him. I don't know where my arrow went. Going back there somewhere. Right, you can see right where I hit him. Look at that.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Good old, good heavy bird.
What do you think he weighs?
He's got to be in the mid-20s. Nice full fan. I can't be happier. Could if you got one. That one would have worked for us. That would have made the only thing perfect.